she was not perfect, she made many mistakes that takes a real human to admit to. Though some days she'd admit to the faults of others and sit in the guilt of her own, her eyes were brown like her skin. Within her was black, her lungs, her soul, as if her only goal was to get high and fall right back down again. Her voice was as deep for her love for everything and everyone around her. She was as bold as her heart that showed when she talked and walked that bold walk and gave that look she gives when she knows. When she knows she's right about keeping her legs tight, not letting anyone get in her way of being successful, though it was stressful because she had gotten her own way. Now look where she is today, buried in her own contradiction, only to decay in the heat of her own kitchen. It was only the right time and moment that she died, though she tried to dig her way out, and every now and then you hear a ding again. She's screaming, but who can hear a girl whose eyes are open and mouth shut? As your